another hair video. Why is the camera tilted? Today we have Yolissa Hair. I think I'm gonna really like this one. This one is a vibe. This is different. I like different wigs. Keep sending different wigs. I love it down. Yolissa, I hope I'm saying your name right. Yolissa gave us some lashes that is very much tea. A wig cap. A silk band. Tie down your hair. Tie down your wigs. We want them to last longer, okay? A silk bag to store the wig properly so we can keep it for eternity. A edge brush, elastic band, and the unit. This is 13 by 4, 22 inches, and it's pre-bleached, pre-styled, everything under the sun. Ain't that tea? Ain't that tea? Oh, I like the curly. I think I'm gonna like the curly. Yeah, I'm about to add some makeup in. So, let me do that now. I need to put a bonnet on or something. I didn't grab it so busy. I didn't even know I started the video like this. Let me throw my bonnet on. Y'all don't need to see me like this. BRB. Okay, we're back with the makeup inside. Oh, I forgot. I thought I was applying it with holding spray, which is a way that you can apply. You could just spray, holding spray, and then put the wig down. But I'm not applying it like that because I ran out of girl. I'm just gonna do one layer or maybe two. I'm gonna speed this up. Hold on. My bad, y'all. I had put it on off camera because I didn't even know I wasn't recorded, y'all. I didn't even know I wasn't recorded. But anyway, all I did was just put it on the glue. But we're back. I like how I don't gotta pull out my own baby hairs and stuff. Oh shoot. Turn them ear tabs out. Don't be scared. Tear them ear tabs. Oh, I like how thin the lace is. That's real tea. Real tea. Really thin. Melts right into your skin. Boom. Free them ears, girl. Free the ears. Hopefully I got enough. Oh yes, I got just enough. Just enough. There we go. Yep. You gotta let it dry before you put that band on. Please. I'm gonna wet it. Just to see what it looks like wet. Let me clean up. I'm gonna be back. This is my real hair. Real hair. Okay. I was trying to make sure I didn't have it too far back. This is the final product. Let me zoom out for y'all. I really like this, y'all. So bright. So this is the final look. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, this the hair. Bet y'all knew that though. Okay, y'all, before y'all leave, go down in the description box and check out Yolissa Hair. Check out this wig, y'all. Before leaving the video, ain't this tea? It already come pre-styled, 22 inches, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. You don't gotta do nothing but put it on, and I just showed y'all that, okay? Links to this hair will be the direct link to this hair will be down below, okay? It was about to go to bed, y'all. I'm so tired. Catch y'all in the next video. Bye.